Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna do like a chit chat, get ready with me / life update kind of video, because I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in ages. Like I know I just uploaded a haul, but like that doesn't really count. So yeah, I thought this might be fun. My hair is really flat, and I know it's an issue. I don't know how to fix it. Literally, like it's just always really flat. I don't know if it's because it's so long and like it's getting weighed down. This is really unimportant, but life update, my hair's flat. I'm just gonna hope for the best that when I edit this I'm not gonna hate how I look and never upload it. Maybe I'm gonna be a bit closer. So basically, just getting ready, go to my boyfriend's house, so gonna put on a wee bit of makeup so I look semi-presentable. I've already moisturised. As you might be able to tell, my skin's quite shiny. It's really weird, right, because my skin always gets really dry in the winter, so I've been like waiting for that to happen, and right now only my like eyelids dry, like right here, but the rest of my face is like fine. So I just uploaded a haul, I'm sure some of you may have seen it, and I hated it. Like as soon as I filmed it I like went to edit and was just like, I hate this, but I couldn't re-film it because by this point it was really dark. Like it gets really dark here so quick. Like during this video, like it's already starting getting dark and it's literally like 2 o'clock. Yes, I couldn't refilm, and like I really wanted to upload it that day because I hadn't uploaded in a while because I've really been slacking. I know. I feel like I was just so monotone in the video every single time I film. My camera runs out of memory and I always forget to clear it before I start filming again. Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, so I feel like I just sounded really bored and really, like I was really tired, to be fair. I'd like just woken up, but yeah, I was just kind of annoyed about it because that was the first talking video I've done in a while. I don't know if you guys like to hear me talk. I feel like I have like I really don't like my voice. Like I feel like it's quite low and monotone. I don't know, but what can you do? I'm also just putting on concealer. Yesterday I did something that I wouldn't recommend to anyone. I took like a flash photo of my under eyes and they were like purple, like pure purple. I think I get enough sleep, to be honest, like, but it was bad, so I'm just covering them up. My life update, I'll start with my uni update. So basically I uploaded a vlog a couple months ago and in the title it was like dropping out of uni, but like in the video I never said I was dropping out of uni, I just was like considering it. So I did in fact drop out of uni. Some people will not be surprised. Basically, yeah, so yeah, I had applied to do international business, right? I'm not going to tell you where, but I'd applied to do that. I got an unconditional for it, right? So as we all know, well, probably not all of you will know, but I dropped out of school in 6th year. Like halfway through, actually longer than halfway through. I had like 2 weeks left and I just dropped out. Dumb decision number 1, because I was like, I don't need anything. Like I was doing 3 advanced tires and I was like, I don't want to sit these exams, even though like I actually kind of enjoyed the subjects I was doing. I was doing advanced tire music, which I didn't like my teacher. Sorry, she's watching, not meaning to offend you. I just and then I was doing advanced tire crime and law, which I thought was going to be great fun because I love that kind of thing, but it wasn't. And then I was doing advanced tire English, which I really enjoyed. Everyone who knows me knows that I like English, so you know, I was enjoying that. Overall, it wasn't horrendous, but I dropped out anyway because I got my own condition and I was like, I don't need this, I'm going to leave and work. So I worked for like 6 months. Didn't save any of the money that I earned at all. Sorry, I ran out of storage again. But yes, I went to university for 1 day for 45 minutes. So some people might think that that was stupid to drop out so soon. But basically I had already been considering it because I kind of came to the realisation during the summer that I'd never done business in my life, because I had absolutely no interest in it at all. I really didn't know what I was getting myself into, and the only reason like I decided to apply for that was because I really, like when I'm older, like I feel like I need to work in like fashion or something to do with fashion. I don't know, I feel like I really like fashion. I feel like that's kind of where I'm meant to be. I don't know, I don't really know. So I thought if I did business, I was like, I can get into fashion doing that. But I didn't think about the fact that I was going to have to do a business course for 4 years. basically I decided that this specific business course was not for me. I didn't want to do it, so I'm reapplying for university next year. I'm on low battery, I actually hate my life. So basically my plan for this year, I got a new job, so I'm working right now. It's just kind of something to like keep me going for the rest of the year, and then I need to reapply for university. I'm not going to say yet what I'm applying for, just in case like I either get rejected or I decide to apply for something else, because I've not actually applied yet. I actually do need to do that. I just went off camera to do my eyebrows and now I can't remember what I was saying. Just in case you're wondering, the eyeshadow palette that I'm using is the Naked Heat palette, which is my favourite eyeshadow palette that I have. I'm hopefully going to move out as well. I've been kind of debating it for a while, because like obviously like I feel like I'll miss my family and being at home. Like the university that I want to go to isn't like super far from my house. Like I could stay, but I don't know, like I kind of want like the freedom, I guess, but I feel like I really want like the halls experience, and I don't know, I feel like it would be like a good thing for me to move out, but I don't know, I'm conflicted about it. I don't know what makeup to do. So that's my like university life update. I've skipped a bit ahead with my makeup, but like I'm kind of really difficult to talk while I'm doing it. So obviously I went MIA for a while, and then I was really inconsistent with uploading my videos, or like I uploaded during the summer. I was quite good actually. I vlogged a lot during the summer, but then obviously now that everyone's like gone to uni and I'm like working and stuff, when I'm doing stuff now, like I'm like with my boyfriend and he doesn't want to be in any videos, but I'm working on that. If any interesting things do happen, then I'll make sure to vlog, but also like my phone microphone doesn't really work anymore, so I can't really vlog on my phone, so that's an issue. I've also been considering starting a blog. I actually did make one, but I just haven't really done anything with it. But I don't know, like I feel like I don't know if people read blogs anymore, but I've been trying to make my like Instagram kind of more blog like I've been posting a lot of like outfit pictures and stuff, but I don't know, I kind of want to start a vlog because I really like writing and stuff, writing about fashion. I feel like that'll be fun. I'm gonna try and upload like more than I was doing, because I feel like I've not really given like my channel a chance to grow, I guess, because I've been so inconsistent with posting, which obviously like I don't want that. I don't know what else to talk to you guys about. I'm gonna finish my eye makeup and then get back to you because my camera's gonna die. I realise it's really dark right now, but I finished my eye makeup. If you want like an actual tutorial on this look, then let me know. I actually really like it. Don't know what to do with my hair. Oh, also talking of hair, I dyed it, if you can tell. I dyed it dark last winter as well, and I think I look better with dark hair. I mean, it does make me look more like a vampire, but I think I just suit it, to be honest. I'm just gonna add a wee bit of highlighter now. But I can't really think of anything else I needed to update you guys on. Trying to persuade my parents to get another dog. If you didn't know, my dog died in April. So sad, literally makes me cry if I think about it for too long. Trying to persuade my parents to get another one, but it's not going well so far. That was kind of all that I wanted to talk to you guys about, I guess. Like, I wanted to talk about YouTube, and then I thought I'd just explain my university situation. You guys probably don't care at all. I just thought maybe an interesting thing to share. And like, if you are in the same position as me, like you don't really know what you want to do, or like you went to uni and then you want to drop out, or you did drop out, then like it's fine. Like, I might have made the wrong decision, I don't know, but I believe everything happens for a reason, so I kind of tried not to dwell on it, and now I'm like fine. Like, I'm kind of happy that I've taken a gap year, and yeah, I'm just hoping that it all works out next year. But yeah, I think that's everything. I'm trying to find my lip balm. This probably was really uninteresting, but yeah.